Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my review of the Pantene Pro-V oil replacement hair cream, and it retails for rupees 85 for 80 ml of the product, and it is quite economical. It is milky white in color and it has a consistency of a body lotion. It is slightly thick in texture, it is not very runny, and you can easily apply it onto the damp hair or dry hair. It is suited for both. I generally apply it on my damp hair and it works pretty well as a leave-in cream. For my dry hair it does not work pretty well, but for my damp hair it works very well in making my hair manageable, and it does add a bit of moisture and hydration to my hair. Not to a great extent, but slightly. And it also helps in reducing the frizz for a few hours. It does not last for the whole day though, and the effects are very temporary. It will last for just few hours. After that your hair will come back to its original texture. I have been using this oil cream since the last 3 to 4 months, and I have not seen any significant changes in my hair. But after washing my hair, I like to apply this cream onto my hair because it does give that moisture to my hair and it helps in detangling my hair to a great extent. The hair cream comes in this tube packaging, which is very sturdy, hygienic, and you can carry it easily in your handbags. It is sturdy, it is spill proof, and it is easy to carry. It is very travel friendly. After washing my hair, I take a generous amount of this cream and I apply it to my damp hair. The cream spreads easily onto my hair and it gives a very pleasant, soothing kind of fragrance, which I personally like. It does add a bit of moisture to my hair and my hair looks moisturized and manageable after I apply this oil cream. However, I would like to say that it doesn't add a lot of shine to the hair. It has a non-sticky formula and it is very easy to apply on the hair. It does not feel greasy. It contains alcohol and parabens, so I don't think it is a replacement for the natural oils. The natural oils like the coconut oil or the olive oil or any other natural oil, I think they give more hydration and they are more beneficial for your hair rather than this oil in cream. But if you're in a hurry and you want an instant fix for your hair, then I think you can definitely go for this oil in cream. I personally use it as a leave-in cream on my hair after I wash my hair, for giving that instant hydration, for giving that instant moisture to the hair. I think it is a very good option, but it cannot definitely replace the original oil therapy. You need to use good oils for giving moisture to your hair, for providing the nourishment to your hair. If you're looking out for something which can give you quick results, which can help in making your hair more manageable, can help in detangling your hair, then I think you should definitely go for this Pantene Pro-V oil replacement cream. I think it is quite affordable, it has a very good smell. Overall, I think for the price that it comes with, it is a good option as a leave-in cream. For my dry hair it does not work well. It only gives moisture to my slightly damp hair, and that's the way I like to use it. And I don't think it is suitable for very dry, thick and frizzy hair, because it is not going to give any results for very dry, thick hair. And I don't think it is good enough to replace the natural oil routine that we have. It is said that it can be used on dry as well as wet hair. I personally like to apply it on my wet hair, that is slightly damp hair, and allow it to dry on its own, or sometimes I also go in for a blow dry, and it works very well if I go with the hair dryer. It definitely tames the frizziness and makes your hair feel soft and smooth, but the results are very temporary. It does not last for a very long time. I think this product is very good for curly hair, which is very difficult to manage, because it definitely helps in defining the curls. And I don't think this product is going to work for severely damaged hair or the hair which needs deep nourishment and treatment. It works as a softener and it works as a styling cream. I don't think the claims of it being an oil replacement is correct, because you definitely need to oil your hair to give that deep nourishment to the hair. Overall, it can be used as a leave-in conditioner I use it as a leave-in conditioner and I use it on my slightly damp hair, and it helps to keep my hair frizz-free, tangle-free, and it makes my hair more manageable. And then I would like to say that if you want something which can give you moisture and little bit of shine to your hair, then you can go ahead with this product, but it would not provide the deep nourishment, and it is definitely not a substitute for the normal hair oils. You need to oil your hair if you want healthy shine for your hair. So that is all. That is my review for the Pantene Pro-V oil replacement cream, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.